Hi guys, welcome to the channel. I am Keaton. So I am going to be showing you guys the new Revlon foundation that I have been loving. It is this makeup look right here. I'm super excited. I just had some coffee and I woke up and did my makeup. So let me show you guys how I did it. Okay, so now we're gonna get into the makeup. Obviously, I primed my skin with a moisturizer and an eye cream, and I am going to go in with this Revlon foundation. I'm super excited about this. So this is the Revlon ColorStay 24-hour foundation. This is oil-free and has a matte finish, and it wears for up to 24 hours. So I'm very excited about this. And I also have, I don't know what shade I want to use. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with the shade 280. My hands are a little less self-tanned than the rest of my body, so we're gonna fix that later. But I really like the coverage of this and the feeling of this. This actually is giving me very nice coverage, but the feeling of it is not a super thick, cakey foundation. So I really like this. The shade is matching. Perfect. There's also 43 shades of this foundation. This foundation is also mask friendly, so you can wear your mask when you're running errands and things like that, which obviously is what I'm doing today, and it's not going to budge, which I know is super irritating for everyone right now. To like when you put your mask on and you take it off and you have all of that makeup, like literally my lipstick and my foundation is always in my mask, but this foundation is mask friendly, so it's not gonna budge. I will show you guys later because obviously I have a couple errands to run today and I'll be wearing my mask at the grocery store and stuff like that. So I'll show you guys kind of the results of that after wearing this foundation for today. I really love this. I love the way this is making my skin look. Like, this is gorgeous. It's also waterproof and it can really help resist the humidity, which also goes off of when you have your mask and you have your hot breath in your mask and it just gets a little warm in there. This foundation is going to help resist the humidity and sweat, so that's really helpful for our everyday life because that's something I know we're all struggling with. I really like this because this is a very medium to full coverage, so I can really add a little bit and leave it on and have a very like light natural look and it still looks amazing, but I can also build it up and have a more medium to full look. I really love this. I think I'm going for a little bit more coverage today just because I haven't really gotten ready in a couple days, so I'm trying to like feel really good and like get myself together. So we're gonna finish the rest of the face. So I'm not gonna do too much setting to my face. I'm just doing the under eyes just because I normally just set so that I can have a more matte finish to my foundation, but because this foundation is already giving me a really gorgeous matte finish, I don't really feel like I need that. So just doing a little on the under eyes. We're not gonna do anything crazy with the rest of this makeup look today. Adding a little bit of blush. You guys, I honestly didn't even apply that much foundation and it's looking really good. Like, I'm loving the way this is right now. For eyeshadow today, I'm doing something really like subtle. I'm just doing a little bit of brown in the crease because I want this to be an everyday look. I just want to be able to run some errands and stuff like that and look snatched, and I actually look snatched if I do say so myself. This foundation is snatching me up in all the right ways. So that is the eyeshadow. I'm gonna do a little bit of mascara. We're gonna do a lip, and that's it. So this is the final look. I'll come up close so you guys can kind of see the full look of the foundation and everything. Also, the lip liner I am wearing is the Revlon ColorStay lip liner in the shade Raisin. I love this color. I feel like it really complements my skin very well. So I'm obsessed with the way this look turned out. This foundation is really amazing. I really think that I'll be able to use this so many different ways. I can keep it a little lighter coverage. I can build it up to full and do a look like this. And I'm very excited because I have lots of errands to run today and I know that my foundation is gonna hold up and I'm not gonna take my mask off and it's gonna be like a bunch of cakey makeup in the mask because this does have 24-hour foundation wear. So I'm very excited about that. Thank you to Revlon for sponsoring this video. I love you guys and let's get going on our day. I just got back from Whole Foods. I went grocery shopping, obviously with my mask on. taking it off to show you guys. I need to turn a light on in here. That there's no makeup on this. Look at that. No foundation whatsoever. Maybe it's worse with the light. Look at that. There's no makeup. That is stunning. Like, literally, look at my foundation. Snatched, makeup snatched. I was serving looks at the grocery store, and that's that. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys liked it. If you guys did, give it a big thumbs up, and you guys can subscribe to Revlon's YouTube channel and follow them on any of their social medias, and you guys can shop Revlon in the description of this video down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys later.